to another video. Now that your website is ready, let's set up the theme, the look of the website. Here is how it looks right now, but once we set up the new theme, the look will be a lot better and different. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, click on Themes, add New, and you will see lots of options. Although you can use any of these, you can use 2023, its official WordPress theme. You can use Astra, you can use Ocean WP, a Cadence theme, Generate Press, or any other. But I recommend you to use Start Magazine. Just go to Themes, add theme, and search theme here. Start Magazine. This one. When you click on here, and you will get to know the details of the theme. Okay, this is how it will look, and it has indeed better looks. Why I recommend this? It is because of some of reasons. One, it has good design. It looks nice when someone visits your website. It is speed optimized. Loading speed is way better than most of the news themes. I have used it in more than 5 blogs, and all of them are AdSense approved. So I can say it's AdSense friendly. It is SEO friendly. Lastly, it has good option in free version. So remember, we can change themes anytime, but I do not recommend you to change it after every week. Now let's go to screen and set up the WordPress theme with its demo. Just click here and install here. When you click on install, it will take a few seconds to install. Once it is installed, just click on activate it. It will be activated. Let me hide this. Now it will ask you to install few plugins which it recommends. Okay, now what we will go to is begin installing plugins. These are 3 plugins it will install automatically. Just go here and click on install, then apply, and it will install. And after installation, it will ask us to activate those. Just go to return to required plugin installer and click here. It will select all and activate. Yeah, just apply, and all of them will be activated. Now we need the demo. Here's how our website looks right now. Now once we go here and just return to the dashboard and go to again themes, and we are going to, now what we can do is import demo data here, or you can just go get started with Start Magazine. Just click here and it will recommend you few recommendations, and let's go. And it's asking for recommended actions. Let's see. It's asking to set up your home page as static page. Now, what we will first of all, what we will do is just click here, and it will redirect to us to the customizer. Okay, it will do it automatically. You do not need to do anything. Just click here. Just click on static page and simple page, because we have simple page right now, which is by default installed. We'll just select simple page and publish it. Now here's how our website looks right now. Again, we'll go back to Crosset, and we are here right now, and we'll just import the demo data. Okay, again, bundle within this theme and click it's installed. Now again, go to getting started, demo content, and one click demo import. Wait a second, what does it say? Please make sure plugin install if accurate. If you have not installed plugin, install plugin under appearance. After plugin, go to import demo data under appearance. Okay. Now here it says appearance and import demo data. Just click here, import demo data, and it will automatically import all of your data, like the demo data. Okay. Just continue and import. It will take again few seconds, which we will wait for it. Once it is done, we will go for the steps. Okay. So in between, if you are watching this video, are you getting all the series? If not, just go to YouTube, and you will find the blog series, and you can watch from the scratch as well. Now our import is complete. Just visit the website, and it will now how it looks before. it it was looking like this. Now it is looking like this. It has imported everything, the demo data. So that's it for today. In the next video, we will install important plugins which are must-have plugins for blog website. Till then, the normal practice to get into YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, do comment below and I will answer everyone. See ya.